How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you a very cool hidden feature in iOS 14, and this is called back tap. Now don't get it confused with tap back, which is a part of iMessage, but back tap is a feature where you tap the back of your phone and it does something. That's really awesome. It's an accessibility feature, but you can do some pretty cool things with it. So let's show you how to set it up and some of the things you can do by double tapping the back of your phone. So the first thing we want to do is open up settings and go down to accessibility. From there, we'll scroll down and we will find touch. And then at the very bottom is something called back tap. It says you can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So I've already gone here and I've set up one action, and double tapping the back of the phone is going to do a screenshot. Let's take a look at some of the other things you can do. We have none by default. We can do an accessibility shortcut, or we can do a bunch of system things. You can open up the app switcher, control center, home, lock screen, mute, notification center, reachability, screenshot, whole bunch of other things. Accessibility, we can enable assistive touch, do classic invert, magnifier, and such. We can scroll up and down, and we have a whole bunch of other shortcuts from Siri shortcuts. That's really awesome. You can trigger Siri shortcuts. For example, I have one that says open the garage door. I can double tap the back of my phone and it will open the garage door. That's awesome. Let's go back and we will do screenshot. So now if I go home, and I'll overlay this here so you can see, if I double tap the back of the phone, there's the screenshot. Just like that, we took a screenshot. How awesome is that? For triple tap, let's go ahead and we will do reachability. That's what brings the screen down so you can reach the top, because you know your thumbs can't reach all the way. So if I do a triple tap, there it is, the screen comes down. That's pretty awesome. And those are just a few of the really cool things you can do with it. You can do some of the systems things, which is pretty awesome, or you can make your own Siri shortcuts and it will run that for you. That's really cool. Let's take a look at scroll up. If I do a triple tap here, that's awesome. It scrolls up for you. I really like that. I think it's a really neat feature. For accessibility, it's going to make the iPhone a lot easier to use for some people. And for others, it's going to make it a really cool, just fun device to use. A lot of Android phones have had this type of feature before where you can do something similar. Like if you shake the phone, it'll turn on the flashlight. If you squeeze it, it'll open Google Assistant or something like that. But, you know, you can do a back tap, which is pretty awesome. The really cool thing about this is that it's kind of sensitive, but not too sensitive, so you don't have to really tap the phone super hard, but it's not too hard to activate. So I think it's a really neat feature. Let me know what you are going to use with back tap. I think I'm probably going to do reachability and screenshot, but that's what I am feeling. So let me know what you want to do with it. And if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.